Okay, good morning, welcome to
Number 1012.
Yeah, 1012. 1012. So today we're going to do another exercise in three-dimensional coordinates, kind of like yesterday's was. And we are going to look at a tetrahedron and an octahedron, and we're going to see if we can write down the coordinates of the 3 points, or sorry, the 4 points, or the 8 points of that one.
Okay.
6 points. Which one do you want to start with?
Maybe the tetrahedron.
All right, let's start with the tetrahedron. So before we even get going on this, what do you think are some decisions we're going to need to make?
Well, we need to define like what the lengths are.
Okay.
So, like we have to define what 1 unit is. Well, maybe we could say that each of these side lengths are 1 unit long.
Okay, yeah, good. That's probably a good thing to do. Like, why is that something that's going to help us?
Well, it just makes it easy to, once you have one point, to find other points.
Okay.
And we also have to figure out where 0 is.
Okay.
Well, maybe we could say 0 is like starting at this point here.
Okay. So what points would that allow you to label reasonably quickly?
Well, we start.
Tell you what, before we start writing, sorry. Let's maybe move it right there to the middle of the screen.
So, let's see. Start with 0, 0. Since this is 1 unit,
Turn that light over there.
we know this is 1, 0. And now, since this point here is in the middle, so we know the x-coordinate is a half, or 0.5. We have to figure out what the y-coordinate is. So, we know this is, the triangle is gonna be in the form of 1 root 3, 2. So the 1 will be a half, and because this is 2, or no, this is 1, we can say that this is 1/2 times root 3, so root 3 over 2, which is this length coming down.
Okay.
So that means this is going to be root 3 over 2.
Nice. Okay. So by making some smart choices about how we orient the shape, actually it allows us to find some of the points very quickly.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have anything you want to say or add about this?
No, this probably is a good way to do it. I had a slightly different way of doing it. I think this way works a bit better.
All right. Well, let's talk about what you were going to do, and then in the second video we'll move to the top point.
So I was going to put 0 in the center of this triangle.
Oh, okay.
Because then you can find these vertices and they're all kind of similarly coordinate. They have similar coordinates, at least these two would, and then this one is just 0, 1/2, 0.
Okay.
And then it makes finding this top point a little bit easier.
Okay, yeah, that's actually an interesting point. We could either make finding one of the points sort of on the bottom plane easy, and then finding those 3 points are easy. And but now finding the top point might be a little challenging. We're not sure yet. Or you could make finding the top point relatively easy. And then, although that would increase the difficulty in finding the coordinates in the plane.
Mm-hmm.
But okay, so we want to go with what we've done here.
Yeah.
Sure.
All right, so let's go to the second video and see how we can find the top.